we can see here just with with the sensor pad. Maybe the customers ask, oh, how to connect it, how to show the signal, how to warning the signal, and how to connect it. This one is the app one. App, I can see that this is the app. This one is can connect with the app. You can download the Steelmate BSA app from the App Store or Google Market. And then you can apply the account and loading the app, and you can use your cell phone to connect the sensor pad. And this one, one phone can connect with the 5 sensor pad. That is enough for all family. It can connect with 5 sensor pad. And this have another function. This another function. If you leave the car, the sensor will send the signal to your phone, and then your phone will beep 1 minute to remind you to not take the baby out. If you do not take the baby out in 1 minute, and then the app function will send an emergency email to the SCADA connector, and to remind you to you have leave your baby in your car and not to take your baby out. And we can see here is we can see here is the app icon, but BSA, but my phone's app cannot open it. I'll just show you this icon. Yes, this app you can choose your baby's photo to add an icon, and you can choose the reminder voice. I think this one is the most convenient, and it can connect with the 5 sensor pad. It can connect with the sensor pad, and you just do not need to install the display. You just need a phone. You know, I know everyone have a phone, so that's very convenient too for all of us. And this is our four products for the 4 models for the BSA. I can see this one, this BSA one. This is the basic one. This is the basic one. This one just use the SIGA plug display, and this one can just use the car when we turn off the power and the SIGA plug without the power. And the upgrade BSA one upgrade one can use all of the car, all of the car. All of the car. If the car only turn off the power with the power. When the turn off the power, if the car still with the power, so we can choose this one. And this is the BSA2. BSA2. This is the cute sensor pad, and that's just easy to stick on your buckle. so there's no display, just the but here with the light to shining and the voice to remind you. This one without the display, and this one can upgrade to 2 sensor pad. This one can upgrade to sensor pad and the battery can change it. So if you have two baby, you can choose this one. And the last generation is the app model. Your app model, it can connect with your app and can send the emergency email to the third connected person and to remind you to not take your baby out. So for all of the products, just to help you to not leave your baby in the car. That is very dangerous. So I know the baby is our future, so take care of your baby, and maybe that's very important. So this is all the content for the base product. If you have any further questions and you have some ideas about our BSA product, you can contact us directly and send an email for us. I'm also here, and I will reply you immediately. Okay, this all for today's online show. Do not forget to connect us. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
The world's first four-wheeled car was produced in Germany in 1886. And since then, the automotive industry ushered in a blowout period of development. With the tremendously industrial growth in recent years, the automotive industry has officially entered the mature stage from the growth stage. As the world is moving forward, so does the automotive industry. The world automotive industry is evolving at a strikingly fast pace, characterized by more sensor fusion solutions, smarter control system, and faster real-time networked system. And this is what exactly Steelmate has been working on. Steelmate Company Limited has been focusing on the design and development of the automotive safety electronics for the automotive aftermarket since 1993, when it was established, and with great achievements made in the past 2 decades, it has become one of the leading automotive parts provider in China, specializing in design, manufacture, and sale of automotive safety electronics. In 2003, Steelmate strategically expanded into OE business with dedication to OE market for over a decade. Steelmate has forged a reliable business relationship with mainstream car manufacturers such as JinAC, Chang'an Auto, Geely Auto, Chery Auto, Great Wall Motor, Xiaopeng Auto, BAIC Motor. As a technically leading automotive electronics provider, Steelmate is always customer-oriented and has independently developed Body Control Module BCM series with extraordinary data computing and processing abilities. BCM is capable of centralized control of a variety of in-car electronic devices, such as electronic device for door and window control, central control lock, remote alarm system, light control, wiper control, to further satisfy customer demand on more convenient driving. Steelmate makes a step forward to launch IBCM that integrates multiple functions of the BCMs. Keyless Entry and Start PEPS series with low frequency and low frequency two-way wireless communication. PEPS is able to remotely control opening car door and starting the car when the PEPS is detected in the defined range. Advanced RFID radio frequency identification technology used will authorize the vehicle to activate the system functions such as automatic unlock, keyless ignition, T-Box to follow the industrial trend of intelligent and convenient driving. Steelmate rolls out T-Box system, which enables the interactive functions between internet and hardware in the vehicle, making it possible to view vehicle status, to control or start vehicle remotely through the app in smartphone that is designed to participate in the vehicle control system. Furthermore, Steelmate has technically engaged in the development of Parking Assist System (PAS), Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS), and is offering on the market a set of automotive electronic solutions, including sensors, controllers, and networked devices, in order to serve the car manufacturer better and keep in alignment with the automotive development trend. Steelmate established the Guangdong Engineering Technology (R&D) Center by taking advantage of high-performance data processing and strategy algorithm in onboard computer and 5G-based connectivity to facilitate the traffic information between vehicle and man, vehicle and road. Vehicle and back-end control systems exchanged and shared in a more intelligent manner, achieving a safer, greener, and more enjoyable driving. With the product development experience and technical accumulations gained from OE business, Steelmate upgrades the products that target aftermarket business, attaching more importance to technology and quality of products. Since 1993, Steelmate has served millions of drivers in over 12,000 outlets in more than 800 cities across China to meet the requirements of aftermarket. Steelmate has launched over 5,000 types of automotive electronics all through these years, including Car Alarm System (CAS). As China's #1 brand in car alarm system, Steelmate has developed a number of car alarm systems, including one-way alarm and two-way alarms, which are both stylish and trendy. With in-depth analysis of consumer preferences in the market, Steelmate will be continuously offering drivers more options of alarm solutions. Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS), involving from black-white display to color display, from powered by electrical power supply to solar energy, from external sensor to built-in sensor. Steelmate TPMS has emerged as the best product of its kind, a benchmark in the industry. In 2019, Steelmate Mini Ones, a multifunctional TPMS specifically designed for women, made its debut. It keeps the original TPMS function while integrating more daily life convenience, such as in-car scent freshener, mobile phone holder, and parking number reminder, together with its Microm's color scheme, making it well received among female drivers. Parking Assist System (PAS), with in-depth command of ultrasonic sensing technology, Steelmate developed parking sensors for both front and rear obstacle detection. The system is able to detect accurately the obstacles and remind drivers of the distance, assisting drivers with driving in narrow lanes, reverse parking, and parallel parking. Blind spot detection (BSD) with microwave radar technology. Steelmate developed a blind spot detection system that can detect approaching cars from blind or from the neighboring lanes entering the blind zones, and then remind drivers of being cautious when changing or merging lanes under such circumstances, helping drivers keep a safer driving in harsh environments such as in rainy, foggy, or snowy weather. Front collision warning (FCW). Steelmate was the first company adopting military-grade microwave radar technology to develop FCW that detect accurately the dynamic distance between the front vehicles